Share Veeam Certified Engineer v12 VMCE_v12 update dumps for preparation. 1. A Veeam administrator is creating a protection group that needs to back up all servers for the accounting department using Veeam Agent for Microsoft Windows. New accounting servers must be automatically added to the protection group. How is this accomplished? A. Create a protection group that reads a .csv file listing the accounting servers. B. Create a protection group and set it to automatically scan every 3 hours for new servers. C. Install a configuration file on each of the accounting servers that adds it to the protection group. D. Create an Active Directory-based protection group targeted at an Active Directory security group. Answer: D. 2. A file on a Windows VM hosted on vSphere is corrupted and must be restored. VMware tools are installed and up to date on the VM. For some reason, the Veeam mount server cannot connect to the VM through the network. Which of the following restore methods provides the fastest restore, RTO? A. Run Veeam file restore wizard and let it restore through VIX. B. Start an instant VM recovery session and log on into the restored image to copy, paste the file to restore. C. It is impossible to restore the file on the VM if the mount server cannot reach it through the network. D. Run Veeam file restore wizard and use the copy to download the file locally in a shared folder. Answer: A. 3. Veeam 1 has been installed and configured. The infrastructure contains 5 Veeam backup and replication servers. The administrator needs to check the remaining capacity on each of the backup repository servers. Where can they see this information? A. Under Infrastructure view, look up the Veeam backup and replication servers to see the guest disk space. B. Under Data Protection view, look up the backup repository servers to see the remaining capacity. C. Under Business view, look up the backup repository servers to see the remaining capacity. D. Under Infrastructure view, look up the backup repository servers to see the guest disk space. Answer: B. 4. An administrator has decided to set up a VM backup job covering their Microsoft SOL servers. What feature must be enabled to ensure quiescence of the SQL databases during the backup? A. Enable Microsoft SQL Server plugin. B. Enable application-aware processing. C. Enable Microsoft Windows OS processing. D. Enable Microsoft SQL Server Agent on the VMs. Answer: B. 5. Which feature can be used in Veeam Explorer for Oracle database? A. Recover from litigation and in-place hold items. B. Restore original password for account objects. C. Restore databases from backups created with Veeam RMAN plugin. D. Export to back file. Answer: C. 6. An administrator is asked to change a backup copy job from periodic mode to immediate mode. How can this be accomplished? A. Edit the original job and select immediate copy mode from the job settings. B. Enable immediate mode on the repository. C. Create a new copy job and delete the original job. D. Modify the job settings on the proxy performing the copy job. Answer A. 7. What does Veeam's secure restore functionality ensure during restores? A. 256-bit AES encryption of in-flight data. B. Antivirus scanning. C. Custom ports for in-flight data. D. Proper rights, permissions on files and folders. Answer B. 8. What data sources can be connected to Veeam 1? Choose 2. A. Veeam Backup and Replication Servers. B. Microsoft Hyper-V Servers. C. Veeam Backup and Replication Agents. D. Microsoft Azure VMs. E. Amazon Web Services. EC2 instances. Answer A. B. 9. What is necessary prior to configuring replica mapping? A. A Veeam backup in the production site. B. A Veeam replica in the disaster recovery site. C. A Veeam backup in the disaster recovery site. D. A Veeam replica in the production site. Answer B. 10. A director has asked for a quarterly report for capacity planning purposes. Which Veeam component should be used? A. Veeam Backup and Replication Console. B. Enterprise Manager. C. Business View. D. Veeam 1 Web Client. Answer D.